Everyone, first general salute, and welcome back to Rotrash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Let's get started right away. Let's not waste more time. So yeah, I'm here with my. Okay, let me continue it there. First, let me load my game before I continue. Sorry, not Milwaukee John. It's Ronda the Rash. Yeah, it's my bike review. So here I'm going to go through the street. Yeah, just things hanged. Yeah, here I'm going to go to the Rat Bike showroom, and today I'll be doing the last bike which is there from the Rat Bike showroom, which is the Killer Rat. And yes, I was riding this bike in level 2, but I'm going to do it more in detail. I'm going to tell the features and the traits of this bike much more in detail in this video. So I'm going to ride it again. Let us see the traits of this bike, which is given over here. It's 500cc Killer Rat. Let's see. This Frankenstein's I would say, Frankenstein's monster of the rat bike set. The Killer Rat is a composite of the remains of several wrecked cycles. Yeah, we see it's a composite of many wrecked cycles. It's fine, but we see it's a monster of the rat bike. So it's like the king of the rat bike. And here we see it's $5,489. It is 65 HP slash 390 lbs. So the handling is average, just as I was telling in the level 2 videos. The handling is not that great. The acceleration is romping, that is pretty good, and the top speed is killer. That will be a good decent speed, just like the Benzai which I was riding in the last bike review. So let me buy this bike. Congratulations, keep the rubber side down, and this is the last ride bike I'll be riding. Okay, let's go. So here let me go back to the bulletin board. So yeah, I'll be doing as usual in the Peninsula, 17.6 kilometers, level 3. And if you wonder why it's qualified, yeah, last time I came second place in the Benzai. Let's see how I'll come and I would say which place I would come in this bike. Let us continue. Let's kill it. That's why it's the Killer Rat. So let the name and what I say compensate. So let's start right away. Sydney, the rich spoiled kid. Okay, yeah. They said the handling is average. It's not like so bad, I would say. It's pretty decent. The speed also is good. It's just like the Benzai. So yeah, coming into the, just wait 1 second. Oh, fish, I fell down. Shit. Get up fast. Yeah, it's actually a good looking bike, I would say. So yeah, many people get influenced by that, by the looks of the bike as well. I'm very sure. Actually, to be honest, I myself would do the same thing. Even the external feature, the way it looks, is also pretty important as well. So yeah, coming to the traits. Now you see the speed is almost the same with Benzai. Not much of a difference, I would say. Here you see, if some people don't turn very much, they prefer the tight turning, just to move little bit to the left, little bit to the right. They don't want to be it like wavy too much. They want a tight turning. Then this bike would be very good for level 1, level 2 and level 3. Let us see. It's giving a good fight for now. We'll get the results when the race is over. So yeah, but if a person wants it like, he wants too much turning, he wants freedom, I would say, in turning, then he should opt for the Benzai, not this one. I'm not saying that bike has too much turning, but compared to this one, yes. If a person wants freedom in turning, that bike would be great. Okay, so yeah, actually you see speed now. In Benzai it was little slower. This speed of the bike is little faster, I would say. It's getting close to 220 kilometers an hour. Benzai was just about 210 kilometers an hour, something like that. Yeah, this is the bike which I was riding the last race. Oh, Slim Jim, we exchanged bikes, man. What's up, man? Hey, what is this, sir? Two people on me. Hey, Milwaukee John, welcome back, John. Whoa, Oh, why are you trying to put me in the car? Trying to do placements, huh? Hey, Milavog, this Teflon mic. Actually, I don't see any consistency. He just lost everything from a period of time. In level 1, he was so good. I don't know what happened to him, yaar. Really? Maybe he's become too lazy. We don't know. Okay, so let me continue with the race. As I was saying, yes, in Benz. Oh, Teflon Mike is trying to make a comeback. No, 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 no. Dawan. I am a highway star. Here I'm in the second place. Boss, man, 40,000 bike. What a racing. Like some tortoise is moving. This police useless people only, I don't understand. Oh, that was a mad crash from Bose. I think he'll spend about 1 month in the hospital itself. What was that Flynn? Just like this is moving. Be aggressive. No, I don't understand. Racer should teach police how to do their work. In fact, you should be knowing much better than how we are. You should know it much better than we do. Oh, the slowdown. So yeah, here we see if you have any poles, there are two wavy roads. Slow down a little bit, then move. As I was saying in my previous videos, so that you waste your time instead of falling down and trying to come back. That would consume a lot of time. Here we are going through some greenery. It's just like the Napa Valley. Too many metallic tires, man. So be careful. Peninsula is somewhat a unique place, I would say. Oh, this one is a tough fight with me and Milwaukee John. Yeah, John's a aggressive man. He's a hard man. He's not going to give up so easily. He's just like Mike, I would say. Not much of a difference. Even Slim Jim as well. He also keeps it close with me. These are the three racers you need to be careful with. Rhonda the Rash, yeah, but you can deal with her. It depends. There are deadly races in Road Rash. Don't forget about that. Let's see. Oh, who's this? Chino. Hey, move, man, this side. Oh, many people. Hey! Oh, shit, man. No, I'm not gonna make it. But I can still guarantee you the result. So, as I was saying, yes, in this bike, you can come in the first place in level 1. There's no doubt about that. Now I'm in the 6th place. So, that is what happens when you fall down. That's why I said slow down. But this case was, yeah, sometimes you do fall. But if you have something in control, try not to fall and slow down so that you can save your time. That's the best you can do. I think these police people are, I have no words to say about them. See, slow down, you save your time. That's the motive I'm trying to say here. Okay, so this bike would be suitable for level 1 to level 3. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So as I was saying, tight turning, if they want a tight turning, this is the best bike. Otherwise, opt for Benzai. 15 kilometers will be the speed difference between this and Benzai, with Killer Art and Benzai. Killer Art is 15 more kilometers fast, and here I win. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow. Now don't leave. I'm right over here. Okay, so I have finished with my rat bikes. I finished with all my rat bikes. Hope you liked it, and please tell us which was your favorite video and which did you like the most in all the rat bikes which I have done. Okay, if you have any suggestions, please drop it in the comment box. Okay, so now, yeah, I lost, but guarantee you that Killer Rat will give you first place in level 3, no doubt. Okay, you can have a try as well. You yourself will know it, that Killer Rat will be the first one to come. Okay, so what are we going to do? Oh, who's this, man? Oh, oh, the House of Games is calling. Oh, yeah, yes, House of Games. Hey, man, I'm recording, man. But what's up, man? Long time. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back. And yeah, I was doing my recording over there, and suddenly it got cut due to some technical issues. And yeah, I was speaking with House of Games right now. I was speaking to them. So don't forget to subscribe to House of Games as well. They too have a YouTube channel, and yes, subscribe to them for some more cool videos. And yeah, tomorrow see you at the same place, the Peninsula, for the last race there as well for level 3. And see you next week for the sport bike review, and goodbye.